Welcome to Sathishspeaks channel. If you ask what is the secret behind a wealth accumulation, many investors will say financial intelligence, mutual fund, scheme choices, high performing scheme, multi-bagger stocks, where to put your money, products, strategies. But the real secret behind the wealth accumulation is completely different from these physical strategies. What if I say that what you do with the money and how you do with the money is the secret behind the wealth accumulation? Let me tell you an example. Let's take the man-made tallest building in the world, Burj Khalifa. It's a tallest building in the world. You know the foundation of the building, it has the tons of concrete and tons of steel, and it is the heaviest foundation. If we have to build a superficial tallest building, the foundation has to be strong. Very similarly, if we have to create a sustainable wealth, you want to pass it on for the next generation, the foundation has to be strong. In this video, I'm going to explain to you the secret behind the wealth accumulation. How rich and successful people, 80% of rich and successful people, simple strategy, they do it without fail, time tested, 100% success rate strategy. So I am Sathish, financial consultant and author of this book called Untold Wealth Secrets, and also author of this book called Middle Class to $1 Million. Also I am writing a financial column in Nana Vegan, which is Middle Class to Millionaire. So far 17 episodes have come and many more to come. Okay. Not just in financial world, even in the real life, the compounding effect plays a magical and massive result. I'll tell you the formula behind the compound interest. Anything you do, a small activity, that activity has to be a smart activity, smart activity. If you do it consistently over a period of time, it is massive results. Let's take Sachin Tendulkar. He is the god of cricket. And when did he become a god of cricket? At the time, at the just playing when he plays the first test itself, or just 5 years before the retirement? Just think about that. If he hits a sixer in his bat, that effortless six has come from the training and coaching whatever he have attended for the last 20 or 25 years. Small activity, smart activity over a period of consistent time bring massive results. That's true even with the financial results. That's true even in your professional career also. You take any successful person, he would have started from level 0 and today he is at level 10, but he would have done small activity, smart activity consistently over a period of time, massive results. Time tested, simple, but we always fail to understand this, the compounding effect in our real life, because we would have studied in our school, we have studied in our academics, we have seen so many posters how Warren Buffett accumulated, how rich and successful accumulated, compounding effect, but we fail to understand in our real life. In simple term, I am going to explain to you in these videos how a middle class person can benefit out of this common compounding interest. Because I can hear the question saying that, hey Satish, my salary is only 70,000, my salary is only 50,000, how can I create a wealth? I am going to share you a case study, a real life case study, which is a case study in many elite MBA schools. You take any elite IIMs or the best of the MBA management institutes, this particular case study has been analyzed and studied. Okay, there is a woman by name Grace Bronner. She was an orphan. She was a secretary. So when I say the orphan, that means that she never had any inherited money. When I say that she was a secretary, that means that she lived a very average middle class life. Okay, fine. So when someone lives a middle class life, at the time of her death, she has donated all her wealth to an orphanage school which is called Lake Forest Orphanage. You know how much wealth she has left for the Lake Forest Orphanage? 7 million. If you convert 7 million into Indian rupees, which is 50 crore rupee. How many middle class people you have seen in your real life, they have accumulated 50 crore in their lifetime? Very rare incidents. Rags to riches. We know stories. In Chennai, there are few people who have done that. In Tamil Nadu, many people have done that. But in our real life, we fail to see such real stories. Orphan woman, middle class, such a common woman. I mean, she does not have the hi-fi financial intelligence, yet she accumulated 50 crore. Phenomenal it is. Power of compounding, how it has happened. At, when she was at the age of 25, she brought three number of shares, just three shares of about pharmaceutical with $180. That's it, she have done all her life. And she was holding that share for next 75 years continuously. At the time of her death, that particular share has given bonus, the share split has happened, the share appreciation has happened, $180 transformed into 7 million. Mind-boggling it is. In real life this has happened, and how many investors have that patience and that temperament to hold on a investment for 75 long years. Even take the legendary investor Mr. Warren Buffett as an example. His net worth is 111 billion today. At the 50th birthday, he doesn't even have 1 billion. Surprisingly, 99% of his wealth has been created after his 50th birthday. And by the way, he started investing from the age of 11. Today is 92. From the age of 11, almost he is also investing for 75 years continuously. But for the first 40 years, not even a billion. And this next 40 years, mind-boggling, 111 top 10 wealthy person in the world. I always ask this tricky question in all my workshops. So far, I have conducted 300 workshops. In the entire 300 workshop, I would have asked this question. Suppose if I offer you 1 rupee that doubles every day, or I'll give you 1 crore rupees, which option you will choose? Many participants will say that, Sathish, I choose that 1 crore rupees because that is what I wanted to save in my life. That is what I am aspiring for. The face value of 1 crore rupees is already there. Let me take the benefit out of it. I don't want to do anything. Give me that 1 crore rupees. But a few participants also says that, okay, I wanted to go with the 1 rupee that doubles every day for next 31 days. You know, if you are choosing that 1 rupee that doubles every day, even what would be the value of that choice at the end of 5th day? 16 rupees. If you would have seen your friend who have chosen that 1 crore rupee, you would have started enjoying that rupee. That 1 crore, you would have purchasing cars, you would have happily spending that money, but you would be having only 16 rupees at end of 5th day. At the end of 21st day, you will be having 10.68 lakh. From that particular moment, the magic of compounding starts happening. On 25th day, the value would be 1.67 crore, and 31st day, the value would be 107 crore. 1 rupee to 107 crore, massive. That is the power of compounding. Not only in the papers, not only in Excel, in real life world. Our lady, the Grace Grana, she has done it in her life, and the countless example within Chennai, within Tamil Nadu, in India, rags to riches story. But the bottom line is, all had the temperament and patience to withhold that investment for a long period of time. Let it be your profession. Forget about the wealth accumulation also. See, any successful person, you see that they would have used that power of compounding in their real life for their own success as well. Remember the formula for compounding. Small activity, smart activity, consistently over a period of time, massive result. If you want to develop any expertise, you want to reduce weight, you wanted to develop expertise on particular field or area, pick up one particular activity where that particular, the person, whoever have achieved have done, small activity, spend only 10 minutes, spend only 15 minutes time. Do it consistently over a period of 2 years or 3 years, massive results. See, I read it in a book. If you read 1 hour per day for next 3 years, 1 hour per day for next 3 years, you will be in top 4% in your region. Wherever you operate in your location, you will be in the top 4%. And if you do it for 5 years, 1 year reading of 5 years, you will be in the top 1% in the entire country. And if you do it for 10 years continuously, you will be in top 1% in the entire world. So, That's the power of consistency. Never ever underestimate. It applies in the real life. It applies suitably when you create your own. Time tested, proven, 100% success rate. But have you applied in your real life? We have studied about power of compounding in school, in college. We have seen in posters. We knew that, but most of us where we fail is that we pull the plug in between. Okay, what enough is enough. I have not seen the big money. Okay, let me actually pull the plug. Let me actually quit in between. So most of us loses the benefit over that. So temperament and patience will definitely bring you massive results, whether in professional or in financial assets. Okay, so if you have any advisory recommendation, if you need anything in mutual fund, stock market or PMS, my WhatsApp number there, connect with me. And if you like this video, if you like this content, please click the like button. Please be generous, my request, because the chances of this video reaching multiple people very high when you click the like button. And if you want to open a free mutual fund app, there is a link. Open it. I'll be helping you. My recommendation, my advisory would be there for you for mutual fund investment. And if you want to open a free demat account, of course there is a link from Angel One. Please make use of it. Stay tuned to this channel. I will be bringing more and more content on mutual fund, stock and personal finance. I'll see you with another interesting video. Bye bye.